Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make that perfect cake. Spread a thin amount of buttercream on the cake board where the cake will go. This will glue the cake down. Place one cake layer in the center of the cake board. Make sure it's well centered. Fill a piping bag with your buttercream and cover the surface of your cake layer. Doing it this way will keep the crumbs from the cake down and out of your icing. It will give the cake a clean and professional look. Place the second cake layer on top. Press down gently. Make sure it is centered on top of the bottom cake. Take your time and check it from every angle. Use the same piping bag filled with buttercream to coat the cake. This is called a crumb coat. Pipe the buttercream down the sides of the cake too. This doesn't have to be pretty because we're going to smooth it all out. Use a large spatula to smooth it. It's going to take several passes to get it smooth. Make sure the cake is totally covered. See right there how the cake wants to move with the spatula? This cake needs to be chilled so it sets and it'll stop happening. Try to keep the spatula perfectly vertical so that the sides of the cake are straight. This is an acceptable crumb coat. Place it back in the fridge and we'll come back and add a second layer of icing. Time for the second coat. Use the same piping bag and buttercream to apply a second layer of icing. Use a large spatula to smooth it out. Try to keep it flat to smooth out the top. Be careful, keep an eye on the angle of your spatula. Here I'm using a clear acrylic cake comb to smooth out the side. Now it's optional, you can use a long spatula. When it's 80% or more, smooth it out the way you want it. There's a trick to finish it. Hug the cake. One hand turns the table, the other hand holds the spatula. Hug the cake. One hand turns, one hand smooths. Both hands make half a circle. Repeat it a few times until you're completely satisfied with the texture of the cake. Here's the trick again. Chill the cake again and take a break. Heat up your spatula in hot water. The cake will be more stiff and the heated spatula will work better at smoothing the texture without making new marks. Once the sides are smooth, smooth down the top again if you need to. This is how you make a perfect, smooth, professional cake.